Hello students, in this video we are going to solve 4x divided by 3x plus 1 whole cube minus x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 1 whole cube. This is equals to 1, and here we will find out the value of x. Look carefully, here 4 times x divided by 3x plus 1 and here x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 1. If we subtract both the expressions, then you will get 1. So here we will apply substitution method. If we put 4 times x over 3 times x plus 1, this is equals to a, and x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 1, this is equals to b. If we subtract both the equations, then in left hand side 4x divided by 3x plus 1 minus x minus 1 divided by 3x plus 1, this is equals to a minus b. Here common denominator is 3x plus 1 and sum of numerator, that is 4 times x negative x plus 1, and this is equals to a minus 1. 4 times x minus x, that is 3 times x plus 1 divided by 3 times x plus 1, this is equals to a minus b. So that's why this 3x plus 1 and this 3x plus 1 is cancelled out, then value of a minus b, this is equals to 1. Here a minus b is equals to 1, and 4 times x divided by 3x plus 1 is replaced by a and this expression is replaced by b, then a cube minus b cube, this is equals to 1. We know that a minus b whole cube, this is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3 times ab is multiplied by a minus b. We know that value of a minus b is 1 and value of a cube minus b cube is also 1. So this a minus b is replaced by 1 power 3, this is equals to a cube minus b cube is replaced by 1 minus 3 times ab, and this expression is replaced by 1, so here 1. Now 1 power 3, that is 1, this is equals to 1 minus 3ab. If we take this minus 3ab in left hand side, then here 3 times ab, this is equals to 1 minus 1, that is 0. So here 3 times ab is equals to 0, and it means a times b, this is equals to 0. So here a times b, this is equals to 0, it means a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Here we have a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 0. Here a is equals to 4 times x divided by 3x plus 1. 4 times x divided by 3x plus 1, this is equals to 0. Now if we multiply both sides, 3x plus 1 and here 3x plus 1, then this 3x plus 1 and this 3x plus 1 is cancelled out, then 4 times x, this is equals to 0 is multiplied by 3 times x, then we get 0. Now if we divide both sides 4, then in left hand side this 4 and this 4 is cancelled out, so x is equals to 0. So our one solution of x is 0. Now here b is equals to 0, b is equals to 0, and here value of b is x minus 1 over 3x plus 1, x minus 1 over 3x plus 1, this is equals to 0. Now if we multiply both sides 3x plus 1, then in left hand side 3x plus 1 and in right hand side is 3x plus 1. Then this 3x plus 1 and this 3x plus 1 is cancelled out, then x minus 1, this is equals to 0 is multiplied by 3x plus 1, that is 0. Then value of x is 1. So here our second solution is 1. We have two possible values of x, that is x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 1. Students, this is our final answer. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.